His name was Zain, age 29, living in Manchester, working 9 to 5 as an IT support representative. His job paid just enough to survive, never enough to breathe. Evenings were full for Uber driving, weekends for freelance gigs. He called it grinding, his body called it burnout. One night, after a cancelled ride and 0 freelance requests, he cracked down. He typed into Google how to make real money online without dying doing it. A YouTube video popped up. 5 ways to use AI to build a side hustle that prints cash. That night, Zen met ChatGPT and his whole life recalibrated. Tell me what I am good at, he asked the AI. It answered better than any friend ever had. Zen didn't sleep. He binged AI tutorial like his life depended on it. He built a Notion dashboard, an AI budget tracker, and a business plan in hours. He whispered to himself, I don't want a hustle, I want a system. His idea, AI written guides for beginner freelancers, sold as digital downloads. ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, Gumroad for selling. First month, 3 sales, then nothing. Doubt crept in like mold. ChatGPT told him, optimize SEO, sell on Reddit, find your people. He joined communities, create value, dropped links carefully. Month 2, £270. Month 3, £740 he made. He created a print-on-demand merch line. He called it Built Different. The designs, generated with Midjourney, styled by AI, marketed with human emotion. Orders trickled in, then flooded. His phone pinged with sales as he sipped his morning tea. He launched a TikTok page telling his AI journey. It blew up. Every video ended with, if I can do it, burn out and broke, what's stopping you? In 6 months, his side hustle was making more than his full-time job. He quit on a Thursday, didn't burn bridges, just walked out with peace. Now his day starts with journaling, gym, and deep work, not deadlines. His print-on-demand brand sponsors productivity YouTubers. His AI course teaches others how to automate their first $1,000 a month. But most importantly, he sleeps, he breathes, and he smiles. AI didn't save me, he says in an interview. It showed me I could save myself. From side hustle to a system and to a life. He's not chasing anymore, he's choosing. You'll forget his name, but you won't forget that shift. Zen's story is fictional, but your freedom doesn't have to be. Subscribe to Mirror Metrics